In this tutorial, you are going to learn to create minimum amount purchase promotion. I'm going to take an example where customers spend 100 ringgit, then they can get 5% off. Now we have to go to admin panel, go to marketing promotion, then we add promotion. Okay, then you will see the discount promotion module here. You have to choose with minimum 2 item purchase option, the second one. So first you have to fill in the promotion title, where this is for your own record purpose. And next, this is for your online store display, where it will be shown as a label to your customer. Spend 100 and get 5% off. Okay, now we have to fill in the discount option. It's going to be 5%, right? Then minimum total order, it is amount of 100 ringgit. So you can see from the summary, so they're going to spend 100 ringgit and get a 5% discount. Okay, next you are going to see active date. This is for you to set the start date and end date for the promotion. If you scroll down, you will see extra condition. Voucher code is for you to create a voucher code. And target customer is for you to restrict who can enjoy this promotion. If you make it to open to public, meaning that anyone can enjoy the promotion. And second one is all login member, meaning that every customer, they has to log into your online store to enjoy the promotion. As for the third one, selected customer group, meaning that if you have different customer group A, B, C, maybe only customer group B able to enjoy the promotion. As for store usage limit, this is for you to set how many orders are able to enjoy for this promotion. As for each customer usage limit, this is for you to restrict how many times a customer able to enjoy this promotion. But you have to take note that if you set a customer usage limit, all customers, they actually have to log into your online store, because then only the system able to detect this customer enjoy this promotion before or not. And lastly, make sure that you save this setting and your promotion is done. That's all for this tutorial.